Hello students. So today we are going to discuss the next chapter. This is absorption by roots and rise of water up to xylem. So in this chapter we will discuss the topic. This is roots. What is about roots? Roots is the underground part of the particular plants, and this roots that is mainly regarding for the several kinds of functions and also having the some structures or specific structures, and this kinds of roots also having some kinds of types and their modifications also. So let's talk about the roots in three criterias. First one is the structure, second what is the functions of particular roots, and third one is types and modifications of the roots. So first one is the structure. This is the particular structures of root, and in this particular structure of root this is consist of following structure. First one is the on the terminal end, that is cap like structures is present, and this cap like structures, this is known as root cap. And after the root cap, the certain region, this is having the maximum dividing capability, and this dividing capability region mainly considered as a meristematic zone. Next one is this one. This is the kinds of zone. This is elongation zone, means this can elongate itself for the particular functions. Next one is this is the particular zone which is consist of some hair like structures, and this hair like structures mainly known as root hairs, and this root hairs mainly present the particular zone, and this zone that is known as maturation zone, and maturation zone mainly regarding for the absorption of water and minerals because of presence of this kinds of root hairs. Next one is the magnified figure of particular root hairs, that is we have to discuss here. First one is this is the particular structures of root hair, and this root hair mainly consists of unicellular structures. What is about unicellular? Means this is the kinds of single celled structures. So in this kinds of unicellular structures there are certain features this is having. First one is this is the epidermal root hair cells. This is the particular structures regarding this one. And next one is this is the outer layer that surrounds the particular root hair cells, and this outer layer, this is known as cell wall, and inner from the cell wall the kinds of layer which is present, this is known as cell membrane. Next one is the dot like structures, that is representing the another membranous structures or sac like structures. This sac like structures mainly regarding as a vacuole. Next, this is the dot like structures mainly present in the particular unicellular hair cells, and this dot like structures that is known as nucleus. So this is the particular ultra structures of particular root hair cells which is mainly present at the maturation zones of the particular roots. So we have completely discussed about the structure of particular roots. Next we will discuss about that is functions of root. What are the main function of the root? The main function of the root is that to absorb the water and minerals by means of several phenomena like diffusion, osmosis, imbibitions, or active transport or passive transport. There are several kinds of phenomena by which the particular roots absorb the water from the ground portion. Next one is encouraging the plants at the ground, means this kinds of structures are underground structures of the plant mainly supports the plants on the grounds, means it helps to plant to stabilize on the ground properly. Next one is storage of food materials like the radish, carrot and turnip. So this kinds of roots also facilitates the some kinds of modification, that is having the food storage type. So what are the example of this one? That is radish, carrot and turnip one also. Next one is this is also making the symbiotic association with the nitrogen fixing bacteria in leguminous plants. What is about nitrogen fixing bacteria? Nitrogen fixing bacteria, that is a kinds of prokaryotic in nature and which can fix the particular atmospheric nitrogen into the particular nitrate or nitrite ones. So before the fixation of nitrogen, the plant cannot utilize that kinds of nitrogen, and after the fixation of nitrogen, the plant absorb this kinds of nitrogen. So directly we can say that plant absorb the nitrogen in the forms of nitrate or nitrite, and this kinds of nitrate and nitrite mainly perform or converted by the nitrogen fixing bacteria, and this nitrogen fixing bacteria mainly present inside the roots of particular leguminous plant. So we have completely discussed about the function of particular roots one also. Next one is we will discuss about types and modification of roots. All of you know that how many types of root generally occurs in case of particular plant. There are mainly three kinds of root. First one is the taproot, second adventitious root, and third one is the fibrous root. Taproot generally goes deep inside the ground, that is taproot. What is about adventitious root? Adventitious root that is also goes deep inside the soil but not much more deep. This can be divided into several sub branches. So this is adventitious root. What is about fibrous root? Fibrous root only present on the upper surface of particular ground, does not go maximum in deep. So this is present in the underground portion superficially. So this is the kinds of roots, that is taproot, adventitious root and fibrous root. Next one is we will discuss about certain modification regarding the particular kinds of roots. First modification, that is a prop root. Prop root mainly present in the banyan tree, and what is the kinds of this root? This is a kinds of lateral supportive roots besides the main underground roots. Suppose banyan tree having the main underground roots, and besides that one is several lateral supportive structures like a stem. This is appears in case of banyan tree, and that is not a stem, that is the particular kinds of prop root. So this is a kinds of modification of roots mainly present in the banyan tree. Next one is pneumatophore. Pneumatophore, that is a kinds of subaerial roots mainly present on the above ground of particular plants, and this kinds of roots mainly regarding for the respiration process in the plant. And where it is present, this is mainly present on the mangrove plants, means the plants which is present on the particular region where watery condition is maximum. So that place the particular kinds of roots or modified roots is being present. Next one is slit root. Slit root, that is the roots present on the walls of the house or ground surface. That kinds of roots that is known as slit roots, and this kinds of slit root that is mainly present in case of particular plant. This is the shrub. So we have completely discussed about the types and modifications of the roots, and next one is the functions of the roots, and last one is that is structure of the particular root. We have completely discussed this kinds of topic in this lecture today. So thank you.